I see a lot of people want to be successful, but they don't want to go through the pain of being successful. But one thing I cannot take away from successful people is discipline. You know, the truth is, when you do a routine long enough, it becomes what? A habit. What is a routine? A routine is usually a series of things that you do in a particular time. It's something you do repeatedly. And it is very important. Most of the things that I've discovered that make people remain poor is their routine. Why you should have routine? Number one, routine creates a structure. So once you are familiar with your routine, you feel more comfortable because you now know what you need every day that will help you on your success journey. Routine also helps you to put in check what is important and what is not important. Routine can help you to be more what? Productive. Success is not a miracle. Success has a formula. Success is when you do the same thing that made successful people successful. Then you too can become a success.